It's Miss Lauren here at the West Fargo Public Library for Let's Make Fairy Wings. So for this week's project, we are making wearable, you can see the straps here, fairy wings or magic wings you can wear around. If you were able to get a library kit, what's included in it is just a grocery store larger paper bag, 2 colors of paint, a paintbrush, and some glitter and sequins there to make your wings sparkly. However, if you didn't get a kit, you can definitely do this project at home. All you need again is a grocery bag. If you have paint, you can use that. Otherwise, markers or crayons work great on these as well. Not included in the kit, what you also need are some scissors, a pencil or pen to draw out your wings. Staples work the best, but tape or glue will also work. And then if you want to add the glitter or sequins, you'll need some glue. So to start, what we're going to do is grab our bag, we're going to open it up, and then you're going to set it on the side. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to cut out the shape, and then we'll start decorating. So what we're going to cut off completely is one of the shorter sides of the bag. So we'll cut all along here and cut it out. You want to be careful when you're cutting this because you will be reusing this side for the straps later on. So you can just follow along the edge of your bag. The bottom, just cut this strip right off. Alright, so now you should have kind of a longer rectangle piece of your bag, and we're going to keep that and set it aside in a little bit. The next cut we're going to make is the very bottom. We're going to cut this rectangle off completely. Again, just follow close to the edge along the 3 remaining sides. This piece we won't be using, so you can recycle this or throw it away. Alright, so now you can unfold your bag completely. So when we go about making our wings, this sort of shorter, smaller rectangle in the middle, that's going to be the center of your wings. And these will be the wider wing parts. So if we look at the example again, we're going to draw a design out on the outside. We're going to cut down the middle a bit. So that's that shorter rectangle, and then we have a wing on the other side. So what we want to do is now fold our rectangle in half here. So again, this is going to be the middle part, the smaller part, this will be the wings. And we're folding this in half so we can have symmetrical wings, and we only have to cut once. So now you're going to grab your pencil, your pen, or your marker, and you're going to draw out a wing shape. If you find our instructions online, we have a little template you can use to kind of get a guide for this. So we're just going to do like a circle shape in the middle. And then once you find that crease, that's where you're going to start drawing the wings. So we're going to do nice pointy wings up here. And then another one down over here. Alright, so you can see our lines on there. Now I'm going to go ahead and cut those out, and I'm cutting through both layers so we only have to cut once and we have symmetrical wings here. Great, so now it's all cut out. We'll unfold it so you can see your wing shapes there. right, our next part, we're gonna fold just this section here. So we'll do a little bit of an accordion fold. Over, under, just in that middle section again, just to kind of give it some support when you're wearing. All right, so there's your accordion fold. The next step, we're gonna make our straps and attach them. So you're gonna grab that one side you cut off at the very beginning, and you're gonna cut it right down the middle. Should be a line in your bag, so you can just follow right through that. Then you're going to take each half and fold them long ways in half again. And then you'll use that line that you created when you folded it to cut in half again. So just follow along the middle there. One more here. So now you have 4 rectangle pieces. So now what we're going to do is make our strap a little longer. We're going to attach 2 of the strips together. I'm going to use staples, but if you have tape, you could wrap that around, or even glue. You just have to make sure it's really nice and dry if you're using glue. So whatever you have. Throw a couple staples in 2 of them. I'm going to grab the other 2 straps and staple those together. So now we have our longer strap pieces. So now we're going to attach them to our fairy wings here. Let's get this one out of the way. So again, you grab your stapler or your tape and you're just going to attach one on the bottom and the other end of it so it forms a loop at the top. At the bottom, staple it on right down here. Now, one wing is attached on this side. We'll do the same thing with the other wing. And grab the top, loop it around. And now our straps are attached to the wing. So now is the fun part when we're going to decorate our wings. So you can kind of fold these down if you'd like just to make them flat. And then we're going to flip our wings over. And this is the back side that everyone will see. This is the part we're going to decorate. If you got a kit from the library, you have 2 colors of paint you can use. Otherwise, again, like I said, markers work great on the paper, crayons work great on the paper. Whatever coloring supplies you have will work for this as well. All right, so now is when you can get creative and do whatever designs, patterns you like. You can do swirls, polka dots, lines of colors, stripes, all one colors. It's where you get to show your creativity. So we'll just do some dots along here. You can leave the straps blank if you'd like. They won't be seen as much since they'll be kind of around your shoulders and in the front. But that's also an option if you want to keep decorating. You can decorate both sides, whatever you choose. This is where you get to design and have your own take on the wings. Do some stripes down the middle here. And the other color I chose was pink, so we'll add some details with pink. All right, so again, you can do whatever designs you want. We just did some stripes and dots on ours here, but you can do all different colors, all different designs. Now the last step we have is to add some glitter, some sparkles, some fairy dust if you like. Otherwise, you can just leave it with your colors however you'd like to do. So for this, you'll need your glue again. Find your spots. I'm just going to do some dots all around in there as well. You could do lines of glitter, however you'd like to add it. If you have a lot of paint on there, you can also use the glitter with the paint, but it has to be really wet in order for the glitter to stick. So now I'm just going to grab a pinch, sprinkle it on all of those dots I made. Cover it in fairy dust. All right, and now we just need to shake off the extra glitter there. Pick it up gently, shake it down, and now we have our nice glitter spots on our fairy wings. And we have to be patient with this since there's glue and glitter and paint. Let it sit for a little while till the paint's completely dry so you don't get it on your clothes or walls or anything like that. Then you can try on your fairy wings. We hope you enjoyed making your fairy wing craft, and join us next week for another fun craft project.